G'day folks. This is a bit exciting. That's a Pied Butcherbird. The slightly larger and more melodious cousin to the grey butcherbird, which I featured ages ago. I'm just waiting for this guy to have a little sing, if he does, to his mate across the way there. Yeah, like I said, he's slightly larger than the grey butcherbird, and definitely pied. He's all black and white. About halfway between a magpie and a minor bird in size. That's pretty pure notes. There he goes. I was lucky to get that. Awesome. Aussie birds rock.